Morning, Johnny Hoist out here again for the second time in 2 days because, we'll just call it like it is. I'm an idiot. We're going to flip you around for a second and tell you a quick story because I decided I think it's in best interest and decency to not show the vehicle that I'm here for. Not a real hard recovery, just way back in the woods, and it's a really shitty situation. So we're going to flip you and we're going to tell you a quick story and grumble about basically, I ain't gonna point my finger at nobody in particular, but Forest Service. It's bad when you have two cars close enough alike that a recovery guy gets the wrong one. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Now we'll flip. So we're out here with Hoist, and this is a serious mission, and the way I can tell you it's a serious mission is because there's no way in hell I'd come out here on one spare and one axle unless I really had to be here. That's how my day started. Why? I'm gonna give myself the second dumbass award. I got down to the yard this morning, unloaded the wrong car, and looked my trailer over. All my tires were good. Everything was fine as far as I could tell. It was dark. I rolled. I had a spring broke. And as soon as it bounced, it let the axle kick sideways, ate my tires, messed up a bunch of stuff. And so that is what it is. Now, like I was saying, it's sad when there's enough cars dropped, abandoned, or left in the woods that somebody could get the wrong one on a very similar description. Same age, not the same age. Serious difference in age, probably 10 years. But same color, same model, same make, and within, if it was in town, it'd be a couple blocks. Out here, it's a couple miles. So this car was left out here, and actually, if you look at it, you can see where they've started picking it over. It's been out here for quite a while, and that's what happens to them when they get left out here like that. They get shot up and messed up, and the bad part is we're having problems getting proper permission to remove them. I took one out yesterday purely by accident, and but it's one more out of the woods, and it may give me a reason to approach my different had the right word a little minute ago, my appropriate authorities to maybe get some of this stuff cleaned up. Anyway, speaking of dealing with, we do deal with all of them and help them out. Basically, the call that I got yesterday, was that individual got out here, got stuck, and perished. I'm guessing probably an older person. I don't know. Anyway, what that did is make it more important that I get my ass out here and get this picked up. So we are working for Hoist today. We're also working for one of our local authorities. Well, like I said, normally I wouldn't be out here with my trailer in the condition it's in, but we'll get it done. Bulldog Winch is always helping out and kind of sponsoring stuff. But yeah, we're gonna get our subject. We're gonna get him out. Like I said, due to respect, I'm pretty sure our guy didn't make it, and that makes it that much more important, imperative that we get this vehicle back to good ground. I'm 35 miles into the desert, and that's not from town. That's 35 miles back on the dirt. And yeah, we're going to get it loaded up. I don't think it's going to be such a problem. We'll post this little video, and if you know anybody with the different agencies around, that was the word I wanted earlier, be it YCSO knows we help, state boys know we help, the state troopers, gentlemen, all respect. It's civic responsibility for a company that has the means to once in a while clean up, just like waste management should be willing to take and help us get rid of the hulls of the RVs we have to haul out from Just people with bad judgment. I'm not going to call no names. That's me. Anyway, guys, I'm going to get to work. It's going to still be a long, hard day here. Loading shouldn't be that bad, I think, now that I see what's going on. I'm going to get this car back to public. Again, sorry for the folks that are related, and we'll see y'all up the road. Remember, guys, holiday season makes things tough. I don't know whether this was just if it was heat of the summer, I'd say got stuck and whatever, but it's fall, it's not that hot. Anyway, remember, folks are having a hard time. If you're having a hard time, guys, you know, call somebody. There's always somebody that's going to listen. And if you're on the other side, give a folk a minute. We'll see you up the road.